Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, so Zoom. Let's do a Google search. Zoom.us. And that's what you come across. That is the first page that you'll see if you do that. You can sign up for free or you have paid options. But most people will use this, the basic personal meetings free option, which allows you up to 100 participants. There are ones that allow you with up to 1,000 participants, but you pay for that. And obviously the figures up here will change over the years and will change depending on what country you're in. But in the UK, these are the current prices that I've got up in front of me now. So we'll go with these. And I will come back to that one there, the free one. That's the one that I think most people will use because it allows you to have unlimited one-to-one meetings. And if you're talking of group meetings, a limit of 40 minutes. If you need longer than then you either stop the call and restart it, or you have to buy a package to suit it. Okay, so let's get you signed up. So click on the sign up. It's free. You can sign up with your work email address or with Google, Facebook, etc. I say work email address, personal address, email address, it makes no difference. But if you're using it for work, obviously you use the work one. I tend to use Google, but that's me. Okay, so you sign up for that, and then the next thing you're going to see is this page here. Now this page, it covers your profile, meetings, up and coming meetings, your personal meeting room, meeting templates, previous meetings, webinars, recordings. But to be honest, you don't really need 99% of that at this point. What you might want to do is the Chrome extension, which is a helpful thing to have, or the Microsoft Outlook plugin. But I'm going to run through the very basics with this so you can get started now. If somebody invites you to a meeting, they will normally send you a link and that will direct you straight into the meeting. But if you have just got the details and not the full link, you can click on join a meeting. And if I do that, meeting ID or personal link name, and you click on join. Simple as that. If you wish to host a meeting with video off, with video on, share screen only. So you can choose how to host a meeting straight away. Simple as that. That is how to get started with Zoom. Like anything, Zoom takes a little bit of time to get used to, but I've created quite a few different videos that will give you the basics to get started. Have a look in the links, like this, subscribe, have a look, watch the videos, and I'm sure you'll pick it up very, very quickly. Hopefully that helps you a little bit. It's very, very simple to get started with Zoom, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.